Hello everyone, in this video, we will discuss about motion. What is motion? So, before going to learn the actual definition of the motion or bookish definition of the motion, we will try to understand the motion through some live examples which we will observe in a daily life. So, what are those different examples? A flying bird, or the fish swimming in water, or the blood flows through our veins and arteries, or motion of the car on the road. These are examples of motion. Motion of atoms and molecules, motion of the planets, motion of the stars, and motion of the galaxies. Motion of air by observing the movement of the dust particles. Sometime at home, in a particular room, through some corners, sun rays will come inside the room. And in those sun rays, we will observe some dust and movement of that dust particles. And through that movement, we will come to know, yes, there is a particular motion of the air in that area. Movement of the leaves and branches of the trees. Whenever it is about to rain, before the rain, wind will flow. And because of the wind, the leaves which are on the floor, they will start to fly. Or the coconut tree, as you can see in this picture, the whole coconut tree or some of its leaves or the branches of this coconut tree, they will start to move, they will start to shake. They will There we will observe the movement. Phenomenon of sunrise, phenomenon of sunset, and changing of the seasons from summer to winter, spring season, autumn season. All these are actually the live examples of the motion. We will observe them in a daily life. So, what is motion? What is actual definition of the motion? How we define the motion? How we describe the motion? So, all these terms we will discuss in a coming videos. Thank you.